Okay guys, for this video I would like to share how to check diode with analog multimeter. So this is a big package of the diode, which is the number here. If you see the closest to this body here, this is 40HF100. And what important is the symbol. So here is the symbol here. This is the diode symbol. So which means this is for the positive, and this the screw side is negative. So positive to the negative. So basically the diode is just to allow the current to flow one way. So basically it's positive to negative. But we're gonna use analog multimeter. So analog multimeter, the red lead is produce negative and black lead is produce positive voltage. So we're going to select to ×1, which is for connectivity. So this is connectivity. So how we're going to test is you just see the follow the symbol here. So this is the arrow, the diode symbol. So positive to the negative. Observe on multimeter, positive to negative, positive, negative. If you reverse the lead here, negative to positive. So this diode is good condition. So the specification of this diode is, if you check to the Google here, so here is 40HF100, which means 40 in front is 40 ampere, 100 behind is 1000 voltage, which means 1 kV, and the diode drop voltage is here. If you check to the description here, so the voltage, maximum voltage allowed to flow is 1000 voltage. The current will hold 40 ampere, and diode drop voltage is 1.3 volt. So this is the description of the data sheet of this diode. So the part number is important, 40HF100, and the more important about is the symbol. So you cannot simply connect. You must be very careful that this diode is positive to negative is depending on the diode symbol. So the black lead is positive to negative, positive to negative. If you reverse the lead, they will block. There is no connectivity, which means this diode is in good condition. So I hope you understand this video, and thank you for watching.